In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Linktree for Instagram, step by step. Whether you want to share your YouTube channel, affiliate links, or any other online content, Linktree makes it easy to put all your links in one place for your audience. Let's start with an example. Here's a bodybuilder I follow. In his Instagram bio, he has a Linktree link. When people click it, they're redirected to a page where they can access all the links he's added. These include his Gymshark affiliate code, his training plans, and other resources he wants to send his followers to. This is exactly why Linktree is so powerful. It's a simple link in bio tool that lets you send your traffic from social media anywhere you want. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create your free Linktree account. Go to the Linktree website, enter a username, which will appear as part of your link, and sign up. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to your dashboard. The first thing I recommend doing is setting up your profile and appearance. Click on Appearance, then start with your profile. Here, you can add an image. I recommend using the same image as your Instagram profile for consistent branding. Next, you can add a bio. For example, I'll set mine to how-to tutorial videos. This gives people context when they land on your page. You can also add social icons. Click on Add Social Icons, and you'll be redirected to a settings page. Here, you can link your other social media accounts like Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. Just enter your username, click Add to Linktree, and it will appear on your page. These icons can be displayed either at the top or bottom of your links, depending on your preference. Next, scroll down to Themes in the Appearance section. With the free plan, you'll have a few options. Some default themes are called Lake White and Lake Black, and you can pick whichever works best for your branding. You can also customize colors, gradients, and even button styles, choosing between rectangular or curved edges. Customizing your theme ensures your Linktree page matches your Instagram branding. Now, let's move on to adding links. Click on Add Link and paste any URL you want to share. For example, if you want to link your YouTube channel, copy your channel URL, paste it into Linktree, and click Add. You can then edit the link title. For example, I might type, "Subscribe to my YouTube." You can also add emojis to make it more visually appealing. Linktree also allows you to add thumbnails or icons next to each link, which can make your page more interactive. While this is optional, it's a nice way to make your links stand out, especially if you're promoting products or content. You can add multiple links this way. For example, after adding your YouTube channel, you might want to add a link to your Google form, affiliate page, or another social media account. To rearrange links, simply drag them up or down in the dashboard, and your preview will update in real time. This ensures the most important links appear first for your audience. Once you've added all the links you want and customized your page, it's time to share your Linktree link. Click on Share, then copy your unique Linktree URL. Open it in a new tab to see your landing page and make sure everything looks the way you want. Finally, to make your Linktree functional on Instagram, go to your Instagram profile on your phone, tap Edit Profile, and paste your Linktree link in the website section. This will make it easy for anyone visiting your Instagram to access all your links in one place. And that's it. That's how you set up and use Linktree for Instagram. It's a simple but powerful tool that helps you share multiple links without cluttering your bio. With consistent branding, engaging link titles, and a clean layout, you can direct your followers exactly where you want them to go. Before you go, a quick tip to keep your online activity safe while managing multiple accounts or sharing affiliate links. Consider using a secure VPN like NordVPN. It protects your data, encrypts your internet connection, and keeps your personal information private, which is especially important when handling affiliate accounts or other sensitive information online. I've included a link to NordVPN in the description if you want to check it out and stay secure while working online.